Hi, today I will show you how to create a multi-page form on Jotform. So let's go started. Let's open this testing form. As you can see, this form is one single step only, like everything is in one page. Now let's add some page breakers. So let's go to add form element on the left side. Scroll down and here we have a page element, so we need to add page breakers. For example, here I will drag two page breaker. One is here and also second one right about here. And now we have three sections because we broke this in two parts. So let's go and preview this form. So here we have per section. Fill out the other data that's required and go next. Now imagine if this is a quiz. This is very useful and fantastic because you do this in steps. Now if you want to remove one of the section, here we have the button on the side of element and we can delete it. Now it's just two sections only. So let's preview it again. And here we go, the first section. Then next section. And now they can submit. And that's how you create a multi-page form. Thank you for watching. And if you like what you've seen, check out the product links below in the description. So when you click on one of the product links, I'll receive a small commission which helps support this channel. Thank you.